Hey YouTube, it's Ivory, and I'm gonna do a little go outside in the rain. A oldie, but definitely a goodie. And you know the drill. If you like me, hip hip hooray, and if you don't, anywho. Leave your comments, requests, whatever you want to say to me. I just want to reach out and share my gift, my talent, my voice. So here we go. And Chazi, this is for you. That is one of my greatest friends in the whole wide world, and she has been begging me to sing this song. So here we go, girl. Let me put on my serious face because you already know. When days begun and there's no one inside this empty house to love me. Oh, no one to share my love with, no one who cares, no one who's gonna take care of me, nobody. Why must I feel so alone without you here? How I wish it was only a dream. And when I think about the love we share, how I wish the tears would stop rolling down my face. That's why I wanna go outside in the rain, when no one will know that I'm crying. I wanna go outside in the rain to drown my pain. Chazi, that is just for you. Love you, girl. All right. The rest of y'all make comments, requests, do what you do. Hit me up. Bye.